exciting couple days ahead that I really wanted to share with you, because not only was I invited to the premiere of the brand new season of Phineas and Ferb, but also given the opportunity to meet the cast of Phineas and Ferb and create content with them, which I'm like, oh my gosh, that's such an amazing opportunity that I've never done before. Well, I've done something kind of similar. I was invited by Funko to WonderCon to meet the voice actors and creator of the Fairly Odd Parents, but that was like a very last minute thing. I didn't really have like any content ideas, so I just kind of like spoke to them normally, and it was a really cool, fun interaction. I'm wondering how this one's gonna work out. It's a lot more planned out this time around, and you're gonna be at YouTube headquarters, so I'm sure there's gonna be like a whole team there. Like, I have no idea what to expect, but I am very excited. I have a couple of video ideas in mind, and hopefully we could do them on Monday. And then today is the premiere of Phineas and Ferb, so I gotta get ready for that. I did like my hair, and like I feel like I gotta redo my makeup. Like I feel like I need to add more of an accent color because I'm going to show you my outfit in a bit. But yeah, I'm super duper excited for the premiere. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so much fun. About to head out to the premiere of Phineas and Ferb. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Phineas and Ferb is one of, if not my favorite Disney Channel show of all time. I'm so unbelievably excited to be attending and absolutely honored. So the dress code for this event is summer chic. And the itinerary says that not only are we going to have a screening of, the premiere of the new season of Phineas and Ferb, but then there's also going to be a summer festival afterwards. So I'm like, wait, so premiere, I'm thinking, fancy dress, but summer festival afterwards, I'm thinking more casual. So it took me a while to figure out what to wear, but I just wanted to share with you the outfit I landed on. Another kind of challenge that I always do with these kind of events is basing my outfit off of a character. So can you guess which character I based this outfit on? So again, the teal, that's a big indicator of which Phineas and Ferb character I am. And then also some orange details and a little brown at the top. Okay, I'm pretty sure you've guessed by now, but the last final touch that will give it away. Doobie doobie dooba doobie doobie dooba berry. So I crocheted myself this little Perry, the platypus, so I could go with my outfit. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It worked out so perfectly because I literally just got this dress earlier this month, and now I'm gonna wear it to a premiere. I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, basically this video is just showing you the details of my outfit, but yeah, let's head to the premiere of Phineas and Ferb. Come with me to the premiere of the new season of Phineas and Ferb.
Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Woo! We're throwing our very own music festival. Let's do it.
Mom! Phineas and Ferb are throwing a music festival to premiere their new season.
Sing along with me. Here we go. Ready? Here's 104 days of summer vacation. The school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it.
I'll be honest, I don't really understand, but I fell down this hill, now I got glue on my hands, and I got records on my fingers. Records on my fingers, I got records on my fingers, and I just can't stop. Don't stop! Can't stop, I got a platypus controlling me. Got no man. Yes, I have these words in a band. S to the I to the M to the P, then maybe you can be moving like me. Step right over and watch me put it down. Aquatic, late, and never relaxing, love my body.
I will be posting full versions of these songs later, but for this vlog, I just wanted to show you some clips. But after that amazing summer festival of the cast of Phineas and Ferb singing some of the best Phineas and Ferb songs from the show, we of course then watched the first episode of the brand new season, which has everything that we've always loved about Phineas and Ferb. So it really does feel like a continuation instead of something totally different. Again, it's not a reboot, it's a revival. I'm so glad that one of my favorite Disney Channel shows of all time is finally back. And after the premiere, there was this really fun summer festival, kind of like after party, complete with music, food, giveaways, and really awesome photo ops. We're here at Dr. Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated. About to get zapped by an inator, apparently. So this is like a Dr. Doofenshmirtz photo op area. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it here. I love it here. The way Disney decorated this entire area was so much fun. They also had character meet and greets, activities, and just immersive experiences to make you feel like you're part of the Phineas and Ferb world. It was so much fun. Thank you so much again to Disney, Disney Plus, Disney Channel for inviting me to the premiere of Phineas and Ferb. I know what I'm going to be doing this summer, making sure they catch every single new episode of the brand new season of Phineas and Ferb on Disney Channel and Disney Plus. Alrighty, so we are officially back home from the Phineas and Ferb premiere, and I wanted to share with you some of the goodies that they gave us. So this was like a little Phineas and Ferb lunch pail that they gave us to enjoy the premiere, and they had extra, so I was able to take this one home. So again, it's this like Phineas and Ferb box, and when you open it up, we had a little thing of popcorn, which of course I gobbled mine up during the premiere, and then a square water bottle, which oh my goodness, I must have drank like 3 of these because they kept handing it out during the premiere. And I'm like, oh my gosh, thank you so much, because it was hot, but lots of fun. And then we also got this bag of Smart Sweets. So these were actually really, really sour, but they were really good. So again, I ate my entire box. And they also handed us all these portable fans, which, oh my goodness, helped so much because, again, it was hot. It's the start of summer, so obviously it's going to be hot. And then on top of that, they also gifted us with, oh my gosh, this is so cute. They gifted us with a Perry baseball cap. So that's why you were able to see like everyone wearing these hats, because everyone got their very own Perry the Platypus hat. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I can't wear it because I'm wearing a bow, but like, oh, how adorable. Oh, I'm so glad that I dressed up as Perry so I could match the hat. But I love this. That's so cute. And then they also were giving out these bandanas. So these bandanas, they're also teal. So I'm glad that I dressed up as Perry the Platypus because I was matching everything. And I have my Perry up here as well as Phineas at the bottom, and it says Phineas and Ferb with a bunch of like little details, I guess, of what's to come for the new season. We have like little gnome Perry, we have like a baby. Actually, those are some of the older episodes too. So I don't know if it's like alluding to future episodes or if it's just referencing the old episodes. Maybe a mix of both. But yeah, so those are all the goodies that they gave us during the Phineas and Ferb premiere. Oh my goodness, it was so much fun. And I cannot wait for you guys to watch the new season. It premieres this week, June 5th. First on Disney Channel and then the next day on Disney Plus. And then the whole series of Phineas and Ferb is available to watch on Disney Plus. Oh my goodness, I still can't believe that I was able to attend the premiere of Phineas and Ferb. Oh, I love that show so much. And it was just, absolutely amazing. So thank you so much to Disney, Disney Channel, Disney Plus, YouTube for having me. It was such a great day. But before we end today's vlog, I do want to share with you the other crochet project that I made for Monday. All right, are you ready to see the crochet Perry doll that I made for the content creation day with the cast of Phineas and Ferb? He's so cute. Oh my gosh, so I've never made anything like this before, like a little crochet doll like this. Normally they're like way smaller, but this was kind of big, and I had no idea what I was doing. I've never made this like shape before, trying to figure it out, but oh my, I'm so proud of myself for, look at this. It looks so cute. I even made the hat and like his tail. Like I'm genuinely surprised with myself, and obviously very proud of the way it came out. Look, he's so cute. Oh my god, we are matching. And his hat is removable. So right here, he's just a platypus, but once he has the hat on, he's Perry the Platypus. As you can tell, I really love this show. It brings me so much joy. Like, oh my goodness, I'm just so incredibly thrilled and just like in shock that I get these amazing opportunities. So yes, if you're wondering like how come you have like so many like Disney related things now, like you used to be mostly crochet, well, it just kind of took off on the other platforms, not really YouTube. So now I'm trying to like integrate it more into YouTube so you know what I'm doing instead of waiting like months for a new just crochet tutorial. So hopefully you really enjoy these kinds of videos, and I'll try my best to incorporate, you know, crochet into them too, since I know that you guys really love crochet here on YouTube. But yeah, trying to enjoy all these Disney opportunities while I still can. Which I'll try to incorporate the videos that I make on Monday into this video. However, if they're using like copyrighted sounds or music, then obviously I can't put them in here, at least with the music. So watch the YouTube shorts, because I will be sharing them on YouTube shorts. Or if you know, TikTok and Instagram, but you're already here on YouTube, so might as well watch the YouTube shorts. So yeah, that's really, really exciting. And again, that's gonna be on Monday. So tomorrow I'm just going to like prepare, and then Monday we'll be at YouTube Studios. I'm fully dressed up in my Isabella inspired outfit, and I have my crochet Perry right here, and we're ready to go. I have a tote full of like my tripod and props for the videos that hopefully we get to use. I don't even know if I need like my tripod and equipment for creating content because I'm going to the YouTube offices and I'm assuming they have everything you need to film. But we'll see. Again, I'm so excited because it's gonna be my first time going to the YouTube offices, so I'm pumped about that. And then of course, you know, to meet the cast and stuff and to create videos. I'm also very, very nervous. Like, oh my gosh, what do I do? I'm sure it's gonna be fine, but I'm still super nervous. Okay, I'll see you there. I know what we're gonna do today. Hang out with the cast of Phineas and Ferb.
Curse you, Perry the Platypus!
Great googly moogly.
Hey, Phineas, what you doing?
Hey, where's Perry?
We just wrapped filming and oh my gosh, it was so much fun. Everybody, the entire cast and like the YouTube team, the Disney team were absolutely amazing. They're so nice and like really open to any ideas. And then also there's other creators here who are also really, really nice and so creative. We were like able to watch what they were filming and we're just cracking up because everyone's so funny and creative. This was such an amazing experience. So thank you again to YouTube. Also, I am very quiet right now because it's so quiet here. Oh my gosh, I don't know if we're here like after hours or something, but it's so quiet and like so empty, but like in a gorgeous way. Look how gorgeous this YouTube space is. Holy cow, it's beautiful. But yeah, that was an absolutely amazing experience. I'm so honored, and I really hope that, you know, I can get more experiences like this in the future because I think they went really well. Like, not gonna lie, I think they went really well. Absolutely would do this again more often. Lots of fun. Okay, see you guys later. And now we're back home from hanging out with the cast of Phineas and Ferb, and I would say it was a success. I was very, very nervous the entire time, but I feel like we got everything in one take, which is absolutely amazing. And I just want to say that, yeah, I needed to move us inside because it was a bit too loud outside. But anywho, as I was saying, the entire cast of Phineas and Ferb that I got to meet today was so, so nice and like really energetic and hilarious and super, super supportive of all the ideas that we had. So there's actually multiple creators there, and each of us got like a bit of time with the cast to do our like video ideas. It was so cool. Not only, you know, when I got to go up there and actually make the videos with the cast, but also just watching the other creators do what they do, seeing like the behind the scenes, or, you know, seeing their concepts and ideas. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Like specifically for like their niche or just like in general, like they did like fan theories, they did Q&As, they did one of them did like a beatboxing session, which was like, oh my goodness, like so many talented creators were there, and it was just like really awesome to just watch them. And they were also really impressed with my Perry the Platypus, which made me so, so happy. Even the creators there were like, oh my gosh, he's so cute. And I'm like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Again, this was the very first time I ever made anything like this before. So the fact that it got so many compliments, I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, maybe I should start making more of these. But yeah, I really love the way my Perry came out. What a little cutie pie. And yeah, that's pretty much the experience. That was insane. I absolutely loved it, and not gonna lie, I really hope that I get invited to more opportunities like this, because now that I've experienced it and I know what to expect, I'm like, you know what, I could totally do this. Disney, YouTube, anyone who would like for me to join them in making content with the cast, let me know. That would be amazing. But the fact that I was able to experience it this time around, oh, I will cherish it forever. And it's for one of my favorite shows on Disney Channel ever. Oh my goodness. So that was just incredible. What a perfect way to start off summer. I know I already started my summer vlog series like a couple weeks ago, perfectly titled 104 Days of Summer Vacation Vlog Series on my TikTok, but I'm also sharing most of the videos here on YouTube Shorts anyway, so you can follow along on either or, although I mostly post on TikTok because YouTube is really strict about copyrighted music sometimes. But anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting, entertaining, or helpful, and if you did, please give a big thumbs up before you go. And if you love Disney and fandom and entertainment, please follow me on Instagram Instagram at Krystal Everdeen, as well as TikTok, also at Krystal Everdeen. It's a fun time and I would love to see you there. I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye! And have a magical day.